at the two-sum LeetCode solution. So first look at the question. We have two input variables that we get. One is a num, which is an array, and the second one is the target. Basically, you have an array of numbers where your particular task is to find those two corresponding two elements inside that array which sum up to the specific target, right? And you have to return the indices of those specific elements. Now it says that there will be only one specific result in this entire given nums array. Okay, so I have written a basic approach one, which includes nesting of loops. The outer loops through I to length of nums, where you first find the subtraction of target minus I. Once you obtain the subtraction, you would then match it with the remaining of the elements to find whether there are two specific elements which sum up to the specific target, right? And then you return the index of those two numbers. So this is your approach number one. Your approach number two, okay, we'll be using hash maps for this. We'll be looping through the entire array for I in range, length of nums, right? And first we find the subtraction between the target element and your current value at I, right? So once we find the specific value x, once we do this, we should be first checking whether this specific value exists in your hash map, right? So if x in hash map, so if x exists in hash map, then you have to return two things. One is return the index value of the specific I, and then you have to return the index of x. So this is what you'll be returning first. So once you find two specific elements which sum up to the target target element that is provided, what you do is you return that specific indexes of those two elements of in the array, right? Else what you do is you add that specific element into the hash map. So hash map nums of I, right? And you add that I element. So that is the index. So this is your specific solution for two-sum using hash map.